The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, remains one of the most enduring and perplexing mysteries in modern history, captivating imaginations and fueling countless theories ranging from the mundane to the utterly fantastical. Located roughly in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, it's defined by points in Bermuda, Miami, and Puerto Rico, creating a triangular area of approximately 500,000 square miles. The legend began to take shape in the mid-20th century, but the region has witnessed unexplained disappearances for centuries, sparking a persistent aura of the uncanny. Early accounts often involved shipwrecks and lost vessels, but the true surge in popular fascination occurred with articles published in the 1950s and 1960s, which sensationalized the area as a zone of unusually frequent and unexplained losses. One of the key catalysts was a 1950 article by E.V. Widenauer in Fate magazine, which described the disappearance of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers during a training exercise in December 1945, Flight 19.R. The incident was particularly unsettling because the flight, consisting of 14 men, vanished without a trace, and a search plane sent to find them also disappeared. The U.S. Navy initially attributed the loss to pilot error and navigational difficulties, but Widenauer's account suggested a more sinister explanation. This narrative, combined with reports of other unexplained disappearances, fueled public perception and cemented the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a dangerous and mysterious zone. Vincent Gaddis further popularized the concept in 1964 article in Argosy magazine, coining the term Bermuda Triangle and outlining a history of strange occurrences in the area. Charles Bellitz's 1974 book, The Bermuda Triangle, became a massive bestseller, further amplifying the legend and presenting a range of paranormal explanations. Berlitz posited theories involving magnetic anomalies, time warps, and even extraterrestrial involvement, captivating a wide audience despite lacking rigorous scientific backing. However, the scientific community has consistently challenged the notion that the Bermuda Triangle is inherently more dangerous than any other heavily trafficked area of the ocean. Statistical analyses have repeatedly demonstrated that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other comparable regions, considering the volume of traffic. Lloyd's of London, a leading insurance market, has also stated that they do not charge higher premiums for ships traveling through the Bermuda Triangle, further undermining the idea of increased risks. So, what are the more plausible explanations for the incidents that have occurred within the Bermuda Triangle? One of the most significant factors is the area's challenging meteorological conditions. The convergence of warm Gulf Stream waters with cold North Atlantic currents creates unpredictable and often severe weather patterns. Sudden thunderstorms, hurricanes, and rogue waves can develop rapidly, posing a significant threat to ships and aircraft. The Gulf Stream itself, a powerful ocean current, can quickly carry debris and wreckage far from the original site of an accident, making recovery efforts exceedingly difficult. Human error, including navigational mistakes, equipment malfunctions, and poor decision-making, is another frequently cited factor. The area is also heavily trafficked by ships and aircraft, increasing the statistical probability of accidents simply due to the sheer volume of traffic. Methane hydrates, frozen methane deposits found on the ocean floor, are another proposed explanation, although the extent of their influence remains uncertain. The sudden release of methane bubbles can lower the density of water, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. Though conclusive evidence linking methane hydrate eruptions to specific incidents is lacking. Compass variations, caused by magnetic anomalies in the area, can also contribute to navigational errors, although this is a relatively minor factor compared to other challenges. The unexplained disappearance of Flight 19 remains a particularly intriguing aspect of the Bermuda Triangle mystery. The official Navy report attributed the loss to pilot error, specifically disorientation and navigational confusion, exacerbated by poor weather conditions and instrument malfunction. However, some theories suggest that the flight may have been lost due to a sudden and unexpected shift in the Earth's magnetic field, which could have disrupted their compasses and navigation systems. Others propose that the flight may have been diverted to a remote island or atoll due to faulty radio communications, or disorientation. The lack of wreckage, despite extensive searches, continues to fuel speculation and contribute to the mystery. However, the ocean's vastness and the forces of nature, including strong currents and deep-sea creatures, can easily scatter or destroy wreckage over time. Furthermore, the deep ocean environment makes searching for and recovering wreckage an incredibly challenging and expensive undertaking. Despite the lack of conclusive evidence to support paranormal explanations, the Bermuda Triangle continues to capture the public imagination. The combination of unexplained disappearances, challenging environmental conditions, and the allure of the unknown creates a compelling narrative that transcends simple scientific explanations. While skepticism and scientific analysis have debunked many of the more sensational claims, the core mystery remains, a reminder of the power of nature and the limits of human understanding. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a potent symbol of the sea's vastness and its capacity to conceal secrets, ensuring that the legend will endure for generations to come. Ultimately, the story of the Bermuda Triangle is not just about disappearances, but about the enduring human fascination with the unexplained and the enduring power of myth. The region's reputation, bolstered by countless books, films, and television shows, has become deeply ingrained in popular culture. From early pulp fiction tales to modern-day documentaries, the Bermuda Triangle has served as a backdrop for countless stories of adventure, mystery, and the supernatural. The enduring appeal of the Bermuda Triangle lies in its ability to tap into our primal fears and our innate desire to explore the unknown. It's a place where the boundaries between reality and myth blur, inviting us to question what we know and to imagine what might be lurking beneath the surface. Even as scientific understanding continues to shed light on the region's challenges, the allure of the Bermuda Triangle remains undiminished. It's a reminder that, despite all our advancements, the ocean still holds countless secrets, and that the power of the unknown will always captivate our imaginations.